If you want to call and set up a voicemail on OPPO Find X9 Pro, all you have to do is simply open the phone app. Once you open the phone app, we're gonna tap on the keypad, and over here press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. In my case, I also need to choose which SIM I want to use to call the voicemail. If for some reason you cannot reach a voicemail like that, it might be due to incorrect voicemail number. So in that case, we're gonna go back to the home section, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and open settings. Now in here, we're gonna scroll down in order to find voicemail, select your SIM. If needed, of course, go to advanced settings, and then over here we can customize the voicemail number. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, then you can either try to Google that information by, typing something like your carrier's name or the service provider's name and then the voicemail number, or you can try to contact your carrier or service provider. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.